What's up guys, Nasser here. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a paging file which will be used as a virtual RAM for your PC. The first thing to do is going to File Explorer, selecting this PC page, and then we will right click here, selecting Properties, and then we will go to Advanced Settings. After that we will hit the Advanced Settings section, and then Settings again, Advanced option once again, and then we will hit that Change option. This will bring up a virtual memory page. Here I think the automatically manage paging file size for all drivers will be ticked for you, so untick that option, and we will select the custom size option. Here we'll have two options to change: initial size or maximum size. The first one, the initial size, we can choose either the recommended or the currently allocated option. In my case, I choose the currently allocated because it's higher and will give you a higher RAM as an initial value, and that's better. So we write that in the initial size option box, and then the maximum size. Here we will have to choose 1.5 multiplied by the RAM. So opening the calculator, and then we will select whatever RAM you have. For in my case it's 8, so I will multiply 8 by 1024, which is how many each 1 gigabytes of RAM equals in megabytes, and then we will multiply that by 1.5. That will give us 12,288, which is the value that we will write in the maximum size option. That's at 1.5 multiplied by your RAM. Then we will exit that by selecting OK, and we'll exit that. It will require you a start to apply the settings, and that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, and thanks for watching again. Bye bye guys, catch you up with the next one.